Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I?
I get a little bit of a better idea now how dense that rainforest really is below us. How difficult it will be to get through. Even though every now and then you do see a trail, this is mainly used by the hunters. They hunt wild goats and pigs around in this area, but also deer.
Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself.
We're on our way down to the south side of Molokai and look at the beautiful reef down here. This is also, as I mentioned earlier, where most of the people live. Much easier to live there. You see the clouds are going to go away again, just like on Maui. The south and west side of Molokai is nice and dry.
In the sky are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands singing, how do you?
From our present position, you can also see the 4 islands of Maui County right now. Obviously Molokai below, Maui straight ahead of us. And Lanai is out on the right hand side about 3 o'clock. In between the two is one in the haze out there, 2 in the distance, called Kaho'olawe. The 4 islands used to be one island called Maui Nui. Then after the last ice age, as the ice caps melted, the level of the ocean rose, kind of flooded the valleys in between these mountain tops around here. The channels in between, about 150 to 300 feet deep, compared to the waters where we just came from. Out there is about 5,000 feet deep.
On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, low my salmon with the ice. We don't drink and we sing all day. Kanikapila in the old Hawaiian way. On the island, we do it island style.
You see this rock wall built out into the ocean here on the right hand side. This is a Hawaiian fish pond. About 700 years ago, the Hawaiian fishermen figured out they built these rock walls out into the ocean, and the water comes in with the tides, washes the fish across the rock wall. Water moves back out with the tides. The fish get stuck inside. They don't have to go out into the rough channels to fish, but can do so much safer from the shoreline. 58 Royal Hawaiian fish ponds on the south side of Molokai. You can also see the beautiful colors in the reef here, different colors from different bottoms.
From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, lonely salmon with ice. We eat and drink and we sing all.
Alrighty, we saw some valleys, we saw some greenery, we saw some sea cliffs and some waterfalls, nice reefs, fish ponds. Now we're going to head on back over towards the west side of Maui, over to Kapalua, and find some beautiful, world-famous Maui beaches. And as we cross back over there, the waters in between these 4 islands of Maui County, also the humpback whale sanctuary, as you guys might know. Humpbacks come over here from Alaska every single winter, give birth to their little ones in the calm and warm waters around Maui, hang out from November till April, and they go back up to Alaska. Quite a sight to see 2 humpback whales, 45 feet long, 55 tons. And thousands of them come over here every year. Humpback whale's been on the endangered species list for quite a while. When I first started flying here in Hawaii about 20 years ago, about 3,000 of these humpback whales came over here. Nowadays about 10,000. We're coming up here on the shoreline, the northwest corner. This is called Honolua Bay. You guys might have been out here already too. It's a very famous snorkel spot in summertime. And, the snorkel trips come directly from the Kaanapali beach down on the right hand side all the way out here and snorkel around all day long. Have a good time. We have one boat there right now. To the right of that one is Fleming's Beach and the Ritz-Carlton Resort, and we have Kapalua and Napili Bay. So I'm just going to do a little turn so everybody can see these beautiful beaches. The homes up around the golf course straight ahead of us, by the way, this is the most expensive area on the island. Homes between $35 and $55 million. Most of them are empty. They're just vacation homes. The rich and famous.
It's a mystery to me. We have agreed with which we have agreed. And you think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. Society